Watch out, here we come! Powering up with super gloves, we're having adventures. It's super fun! Super Crew!
Hooray!
Hey, supers! We're cutting down a tree today! Let's go!
Drive, Super Kid! Go fast!
Where is it? You found it?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, let's keep going.
Get closer.
Let's get closer. We found it. Look. The tree has an X on it. Let's cut it down.
Yay!
Awesome.
Wow! Look at you work! What else do we have? An axe! I see it! It's red! Grab it!
Let's chop this tree down. Go for it. Yeah!
Great job! Keep going!
Super Kid, bring me my axe over here. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, look at this axe. Remember, always have an adult with you at all times. Let's cut it down. Let's watch the axe get stuck in the tree. Whoa! Ah, it's really hard. Pull hard, Super Kid.
Great job!
We got it.
What's next?
We're gonna use our saws. Are you ready? Come here, Super Kid.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, let's start using our saws.
Whoa!
What is that?
Oh, it's a colony of ants. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa.
Awesome!
Whoa. This has really sharp teeth and it's cutting the wood.
Keep trying. This tree is really big. We need the help from our tree removal friends. Let's go find them, Super Kid. Look over there, Supers. It's the work trucks and our special friends. What are you doing here? Silly garbage truck. We don't need your help today. See you later, garbage truck.
Goodbye.
Cool.
Show them the way, Super Kid.
Keep following us. It's over there.
Hurry, hurry. The tree needs your help. Bring the lift to the backyard. This is a tree climber. They use protective gear like a helmet and boots with climbing hooks. Then they will climb the tree to get ready for chainsaw time.
Hip hip hooray!
Hey, Supers, can you count the tree branches falling down?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray!
Great job! Let's cut all this wood with our chainsaws. Let's go, Super Kid.
Okay, get it good. Chop it. Whoa!
You're doing a great job. Keep going. Help cut those tree branches, Super Kid.
I got it. Whoa! I cut the log. Whoa! We're gonna pick up some wood. Watch this. There's some. Okay, let's put some in the back.
Logs.
Wow.
Let's get a few more.
Well, after you put them over there.
Right, let's go help our worker friends out. We need to collect some sticks.
Break them. Yeah.
All right, let's go deliver the sticks.
Let's get right next to this grabber. Whoa. What is this, Super Kid? This grabs all the heavy trees and gets it closer to the wood chipper. First, let's unload all our sticks. Let's help him out. Put it right here. Good job.
Yay!
Whoa. He's doing excellent. Wow. Look at the big claw. It grabs all those big trees.
Whoa! Look at the grabber. It's taking the tree branches to the chipper.
Awesome.
What's the grabber doing, Super Kid? Where are the tree branches going? We need to take a closer look.
Look, Mom, no hands.
Let's get in our truck and check it out.
Whoa, look at this, Supers! It's a wood chipper! Wow, look, Super Kid. The wood goes in here, and these big teeth crunch up all the wood, and it shoots the bark into the back of the truck. That's awesome!
Whoa, look at that.
Let's go pick up some more sticks.
Grabber trucks help load heavy tree limbs so people don't have to work too hard. Wow! Grinding branches is the fastest way to get rid of trees. Do you hear that, Supers? I hear the chainsaw song.
Trees need our help, what do? Get your chainsaws and power tools. The tree is falling down, what do we say? We yell timber and run away. Chainsaws and power tools, cutting saws and axes too. Cutting trees is what we do. Grab your gear and chainsaws too. Chainsaws and power tools, cutting saws and axes too. Trees need our help, what do? Get your chainsaws and power tools. Tree is falling down, what do we say? We yell timber and run away. Chainsaws and power tools, cutting saws and axes too. Cutting trees is what we do. Grab your gear and chainsaws too. Chainsaws and power tools, cutting saws and axes too. We love chainsaws.
Hip hip hooray!
Whoa, look at this, Supers! Whoa! Look at this lift! This is awesome! This lift will take the workers really high up so they can cut the tree.
Whoa! Look, Super Kids. These lifts are very important. They help carry workers to the top of the tree. This makes cutting tree branches easy. See? The worker is tossing down the tree branches. The lift helps the chainsaw get closer to the tree trunks. That way they can cut the tree down piece by piece.
Yay!
Watch them clean up before they cut down the really, really big tree branch. Get ready, Super Kid.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Timber!
Hip hip hooray!
Let's get in your car. Buckle up. Great job. See you next time. Stay super.
Bye!
Bye. See you later.
Like and subscribe! Bye! Powering up with super gloves, we're having adventures. It's super fun! Super Crew!